Hello students, I am Tabassum Pathan, English educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. I hope you all are safe and healthy physically and mentally. Today I am going to talk about the two topics, countable and uncountable nouns. Second, nouns, gender. Now let's see the definition of countable noun. Countable nouns are those that refer to something that can be counted. They have both singular and plural form. Examples like cat, cats, woman and women, country, countries. In the singular, they can be preceded by a or an. Most nouns come into the category. Some more examples of countable nouns are several people stopped and stayed at the man in the strange dress. 20 girls were present in the class. 100 voices spoke as one in answer to his challenge. Many children were playing in the park. Rahul was playing with his cats. The year students, the highlighted words people, girl, voices, children, cat. These are the examples of countable noun. Students, you can see in the picture also there are the more examples are given for countable noun like banana, apple, chocolate, pizza, burger, etc. Let's discuss the second definition of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count and divide into separate parts. We cannot count them. Examples like sugar, tea, salt, etc. So we cannot count the bottles of milk or litres of milk. That is uncountable nouns. Some more examples of uncountable nouns are noise can pollute the atmosphere as much as smoke. Nancy hair looks quite different now. Third, prevention is always better than cure. Fourth, Sheila bought 500 grams of butter. Fifth, the weather of Kashmir is very beautiful. So the highlighted words are uncountable nouns. In the picture also students you can see the more examples of uncountable nouns like a flour, sugar, milk, butter, cheese, etc. Now let's move to our second topic, that is a noun's gender. When we talk about the gender of nouns, we have to think about whether the noun refer to humans, animals or non-living objects. Here the gender has been divided into the four parts. The first is masculine, second is feminine, third is neuter and fourth is common. Students, now let's see the definitions of each gender with examples. First, masculine. Masculine is a noun that stands for a male person or animal, belongs to the masculine gender. Examples: boy, brother, man, father, grandfather, king, bull, dog, etc. These are the examples of masculine. Second, feminine. Feminine is a noun that stands for a female person or animal belong to the feminine gender, and the examples are girl, sister, woman, mother, queen, cow, beach, etc. These are the examples of feminine gender. Third is our common gender. Common noun that can stand for both male and female belongs to the common gender. Examples: baby, child, parent, teacher, student, doctor, friend, cousin, etc. Last, we have the neuter gender. The neuter genders are a noun that stands for a non-living things belong to the neuter gender. Examples are pen, book, room, river, house, road, computer, telephone, etc. So these are the definitions and examples of each gender which I have explained you here. These are the examples of masculine and feminine gender. And these are the examples of common and neuter gender. So students, I hope you all understood both the topics. Thank you for watching.